What if I told you the greatest scientific machine America ever planned? The one that could have changed everything we know about the universe isn't sitting in a lab today, but rotting underground, abandoned, unfinished, and forgotten? Imagine this: nearly 14 miles of tunnel, wide enough to drive trucks through, buried beneath Texas. A machine so powerful it could have revealed new particles, new physics, maybe even rewritten our understanding of reality. And then it was all left to die. But why? Here's where the story twists. In the late 1980s, America began building the Superconducting Super Collider, a particle accelerator 3 times larger than CERN's Large Hadron Collider. Scientists believed it could answer the biggest question of all: what is the universe made of? Billions were approved. Construction exploded. Entire towns prepared for a scientific revolution. And then, the cracks appeared. Costs soared: $4 billion, then $8 billion, then $12 billion. Politicians panicked. Funding collapsed. Rival agencies began fighting. Scientists begged Congress not to kill the project. But the hammer still fell. If the SSC was so important, why did America walk away while it was 20% finished? Why did the world's biggest science experiment end up as a tunnel system filled with silence? The truth is both shocking and painfully simple. It wasn't science that killed the Super Collider. It was politics, a moment of national doubt, a fight over money during a recession, and a belief that someone else will discover these things for us. So America abandoned the machine that could have put it decades ahead in physics, a machine that might have discovered the Higgs Boson years before CERN, a machine that could have changed humanity's understanding of existence. Today, those tunnels remain underground, empty, echoing, and forgotten. A reminder that sometimes, our greatest breakthroughs die not from failure, but from the decision to stop reaching.